Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home, or welcome back if you've always been here. Today I actually have to go to a client's house and handle some things over there for them. So I was getting my stuff packed because I like to take some cleaning supplies over to clients. So I just thought I would, show you guys how I prepare. And also my kitchen, I made myself breakfast, so I'm just gonna straighten that up really quickly as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, I am Kim, K-Y-M. I love to create videos regarding home life. So that could be like cooking, cleaning, doing tutorials as far as like fixing things, projects, DIYs, paintings, just being creative. This is a safe, creative, and positive space. I'm all about self-care and just loving on ourselves, knowing what love is, and that way we're able to return that love into the world to everyone else, because we all need love, we all need healing, we all need kindness, especially, with everything going on in the world right now. Before you leave out, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. We are called the Keep Up Crew. So I am finished getting all of that straightened up over there. There is meat in the sink in a bag because I'm gonna cook later. So we have a few cleaning cloths and we also have a sponge, and then lighting, because I'm not sure how the lighting is over there and I don't want it to be too dark. I have my concoction that I always put together of the vinegar, the Dawn, it's the blue Dawn dish soap, and also the isopropyl alcohol. Ooh, I said it right the first time. Okay, and then we have paper towels, and then I'm just gonna put it in the paper bag. I'm taking this with me too, because ain't nobody got time to be doing all that stuff in the bathtub. I got myself all packed up. I'm ready to go. There's a glare coming from somewhere. But anyway, the next time you see me, I will be at my client's house. They are not there. I do have a key to enter through the back, just in case you were wondering. I forgot my gloves. That's not good. Okay, my first stop is the kitchen. I'm just gonna do a really quick speed clean in here. All he wants is things wiped down, and that is about it. The lighting's gonna be really weird because I have those light lamps. I don't like using those, but whatever. So let me show you what I'm working with. Okay, I'm not supposed to worry about like the dishes and stuff like that, but I am going to wipe all of this down. Let me show you some close-ups. With cleaning, you want to go counterclockwise or clockwise. Just make sure you go in order. It's easy that way. That way you won't, forget something. So I'm just going to start at the sink and then work my way around. But now you know why I'm not supposed to do the dishes, because that's broke. I'm gonna tell you the steps that I'm gonna take, okay? So since there's a lot of debris, we're gonna get the debris off first, and then we're gonna spray the cleaner and wipe it down. Believe me when I tell you, it is much harder to clean up debris when it's wet versus when it's dry. Machine is heavy. It was an ice maker. When you're working at someone's house, or even with commercial cleaning, you're not supposed to spray directly onto the cabinets or whatever it is that you're wiping down. Over here I will. They don't have no issue with it, So before I put anything back, I'm just gonna clean it off. I'm gonna get, again, rid of all the debris first, and then I'm gonna wipe it down. One thing that I've noticed when doing residential homes is a lot of people don't realize you should wipe off all of your appliances. For instance, your toaster, your microwave, your stove, that sort of thing. But yes, that should be wiped off more than once every 2 weeks or more than once a month. It's much easier to clean anytime you see a spill or a spot. That way it won't set in and you won't be spending so much time trying to get it cleaned off. Waiting is exactly what makes cleaning difficult. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know in the comments below how you're doing, what you're working on, and what your plans are for the holiday. Ooh, she pretty. She looks so much better. Did you know that one positive thought in the morning can change your entire day? Don't forget to say those affirmations. Look in the mirror and say them. It helps to change your mindset and it helps to make you feel better as well. It's so easy for us to point out negative things about ourselves. We just need to change our mindset and be nicer to ourselves. My client knows that I am not an organizer. However, I wanted to get all of these put away. I made them aware and they'll, handle their cabinets when they get home. Trash cans are another item that are neglected. Be sure to wipe those off as well, especially if you have one inside your house. Mine is in the garage, but this one is on the inside, so you want it to be looking, a little bit better than what it is now. Let me know in the comments how often you clean off your trash can.
I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Be free like a summer night.
After I shook the rugs off in the house, I thought to myself, Self, why didn't you just take that outside and handle it? I have no idea why I just shook it right there. I was just trying to get through this kitchen. Y'all, I was on a roll. I was moving on autopilot or something like that. Although we have a Swiffer that has cleaner in it, I also sprayed my concoction on the floor as well. That way I can make sure that it was extra clean, shiny, and just smelling all good and stuff. All of the cabinets have been wiped down. This kitchen definitely reminds me of mine with the same stove and the white cabinets, and every time you wipe off those white cabinets, it looks like a whole different color. Cleaned off all of the appliances in here. The refrigerator, the stove, the microwave, the, what are those things called? Air fryers and ice maker and toaster. I also cleaned off the television. But yeah, floors look good as well. This is the master bath that I will be cleaning, and we're just gonna get everything cleaned off. Mirrors, countertop, the shower. These showers are so difficult to clean. For real, very, very difficult to clean. One thing I try not to do when I'm at other people's house is sit their things on the floor. So I always ask for a shoebox so that I can put all the items in the shoebox, clean it off, and then put everything right back onto the counter, the dresser, the whatever, you know.
I was just sitting here thinking while I was editing how much I enjoy cleaning people's homes when they are not there. I like to open up all of the windows and the doors. It makes it smell even more fresh when they get home, and they'll just appreciate it even more, I think. Plus, your girl is a sweater, okay? I sweat so bad when I'm cleaning because I really do put my all into it, and I like, that cool breeze coming through the window.
Take down your walls and let me ooh. Yeah, brick by brick now.
When I first came in, the mirror was so like foggy. It's not foggy anymore. And the sink looks good. Sink looks amazing. Now I have to put all the stuff back.
I sprayed my concoction in the shower and the dirt started dripping off. Here's what it looks like. I thought that was pretty cool. It really lets you guys know that my concoction works, even though I know it does, but you should definitely try it if you have the opportunity.
Take down your walls and let me ooh. Yeah, brick by brick now let me ooh. I wanna be right there by your side.
All of the black stuff that was on the wall is no longer there. So we want to just make sure we can get that grout cleaned out because it's still yellow.
After you scrub the shower down, the best thing to do is to spray hydrogen peroxide and water on the grout. That way it'll bleach itself. I did that, but my phone was dying, so I was trying to move fast.
Okay, so we are in another bathroom. That's what we're working with. And we're also gonna get the cabinets like we did in the other bathroom.
Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine?
Thank you so much for being here. I hope you know that you are loved and appreciated, and I am just so happy that you are here with me hanging out, and hopefully you're learning some things and taking these tips and will use them in your own cleaning. When you're cleaning off your cabinets or your drawers, be sure to also clean off the handles because they can be really gross as well because you're touching them, so there's all kinds of bacteria on them. Remember, the rule of thumb is to wipe everything down.
Much
You've
better.
always felt like a part of you has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it.
Here is the half bath that I have to clean. This is the one that is downstairs, so it always seems to be fine. Just needs a really quick touch up.
There's nothing like getting your bathrooms clean and your kitchen. It just makes me feel really, really good. You'll have to let me know what areas in your home make you feel good after you clean them.
You got a lot of exes, but none of them.
Just like that. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the toilet cleaning on camera. We are done.
I'm leaving my client's house now. I had a basic plan. However, I've been doing this person for a really long time. So anytime I go in there and I notice like other things, I just go ahead and clean it. So like a deep clean in the kitchen would include me moving the stove and the refrigerator and cleaning up underneath that. I didn't show you everything, obviously.
I just got home from my client's house and I had to get in the shower. If you were here for my last video, I had talked about a bra from a company called HSIA, and they would like for me to review this bra. So we had a couple hiccups on the size because they told me the way that I measured wasn't the size like that I told them that I wore. And I was like, well, I don't know why. This is not the bra, this is my bra. But I do wear a 36 triple D. Yes, I do, but I wear minimizers, okay? So this is what it looks like with this bra. So we'll try this on to see what it looks like, to see if I like it, to see if it's comfortable, to see if it's supportive, all of that great stuff. Be right back.
Here is what the bra looks like. There's no padding, and there is like a little, I don't know, a little bit of satin there for as far as like nipple coverage or what have you. There is none, so you can see right through.
We are back. I'm gonna keep you at the same angle since I had you at that angle in the last clip so that you can kind of get a look. Okay, so here is the bra. I will say that it's comfortable. It's laced. It seems supportive, but I don't feel like it lifts my girls. My girls need to be lifted up, okay? They need to be lifted. I'm just saying. I'll leave the information below in the description box in case you are interested. So yeah, very thin material. It's very comfortable. It doesn't lift your boobies up when you old like me, but it is a very comfortable bra. So now I did my skincare routine. I'm about to go cook some food so that I can lay down for the rest of the day. But I gotta find my lip gloss first because you know I'm addicted to lip gloss. Let's go. Before I got in the shower, I soaked my chicken. I always soak it in lime juice, vinegar, and obviously water. So now I'm gonna go get that out of there and dry it off, and I'm gonna cook it. I think I'm gonna make Mediterranean chicken with rice and peas, maybe, I don't know. We'll see when we get down there. Hopefully, I do not need to talk about the importance of washing your chicken prior, or all meat basically, prior to cooking it. It's important. If you're having problems with your kids eating vegetables, I have a solution for you. So anytime I make pasta with like Mediterranean food, I always put spinach in my pasta, or I put carrots and peas in my pasta. So today we're having spinach. Thank you so much for hanging in there. I appreciate you being here. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Bye guys.